Time now for your transfer update.
This is hotting up. Man United are apparently, according to a semi-reliable source, in advanced talks for Bruno Guimarães, the Newcastle United midfielder. We've been talking about Tonali quite recently, but Bruno Guimarães apparently is in advanced talks with Man United. Now, I'm here for that. Bring 100%. There's a lot of people saying, oh, nearly 30 and all of this stuff. I don't care about that in terms of he's an absolute quality player, exactly what Man United need. He can do both sides of the game very, very well, very mobile, very tenacious, can break up play, can score goals. Excellent player, excellent player. And this notion that as soon as people hit 29 and 30 that they're finished is, you know, if you scout right and understand the player, I think you can miss that. If you're getting rid of Casemiro / Ugarte and you're bringing in Bruno Guimarães, last time I checked, that's a monumental upgrade. So, yeah, watch this space. Bruno Guimarães to Man United. Is there any truth in it?
I think it's a good signing, and you can clearly see why a lot of clubs were after him. He's still young. He's obviously got a lot of potential and a lot of sort of, you know, growth within that ability that we've already seen. He's certainly got the physicality that you think could certainly perform in the Premier League. He's a real presence. You feel that, you know, if they want to play the ball into him, he can certainly hold the ball up and link play. He's also got pace to get in behind. We know that he's a goal scorer, but again, I think he can even get better with that. So you just feel with Manchester United's business, with those attacking players that they've already brought in with Premier League experience.
Bruno Guimarães to Manchester United. Red Devils ready to smash £100 million for new midfield king. Manchester United are once again preparing for a massive summer transfer window, and one name is now dominating headlines across the football world: Bruno Guimarães. Reports suggest the Brazilian midfielder has emerged as United's top priority target as the club searches for the perfect long-term replacement for Casemiro. Inside Old Trafford, there is growing belief that Bruno Guimarães could completely transform Manchester United's midfield for years to come. Club legend Michael Carrick reportedly views the Newcastle star as the ideal partner for rising sensation Kobbie Mainoo. The vision is clear: energy, aggression, creativity, leadership, and control in the middle of the pitch. United are believed to be ready to spend huge money to secure the deal, despite Newcastle United insisting that Bruno remains central to their long-term project. However, financial fair play pressure could become a major factor behind the scenes. Sources close to Newcastle reportedly believe the club may eventually be forced into difficult decisions regarding player sales this summer. The possibility of Bruno Guimarães leaving St. James Park has now sparked major excitement among Manchester United fans worldwide. Even more interestingly, reports claim the Brazilian midfielder is intrigued by the idea of wearing the famous red shirt of Manchester United. That revelation alone has sent social media into complete meltdown. Newcastle are expected to demand at least £100 million for the midfielder, making this one of the biggest potential deals of the summer transfer window. While talks remain in early stages, Manchester United's interest appears serious and aggressive. United are also monitoring other talented Premier League midfielders including Elliot Anderson and Carlos Baleba, but Bruno Guimarães is currently viewed internally as the dream signing. If this transfer happens, it could completely reshape Manchester United's midfield and signal the beginning of a new era at Old Trafford. Fans are already imagining a terrifying midfield trio, built around Bruno Guimarães, Kobbie Mainoo, and captain Bruno Fernandes. As the summer window approaches, all eyes will remain on Manchester United, Newcastle, and one of the most explosive transfer stories developing in European football.